Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. In this CELPIP email task, you are asked to write about problems in your apartment. You can pause the video to read the full answer carefully if needed. The email addresses all 3 bullet points clearly. For example, it provides details about the problems, mentioning a leak and a heater issue. It also explains how these issues affect the writer, stating they feel cold and have trouble sleeping. Lastly, it clearly provides the writer's availability for repairs, mentioning specific times. This email is well organized and polite, beginning with a respectful greeting, "Dear Mr. Johnson," and ending politely, "Best regards." The information is neatly divided into paragraphs, each addressing a separate bullet point clearly. The overall tone is formal yet friendly, suitable for communicating with a building manager. Helpful linking words like firstly, secondly, and lastly structure the email logically and make it easy to follow. 2 mild stretch words included are unnecessarily and promptly, which elevate the email slightly beyond basic vocabulary while still remaining clear for learners at your level. For beginners and intermediate learners, a useful tip is to write a brief outline first. Clearly divide your email into short paragraphs, each focusing on one bullet point. This helps you organize your ideas and keeps your message simple and easy to understand. In this response, I'll explain why this answer clearly scores well. You can pause the video to read carefully if you need extra time. The writer clearly states their choice. Option A, offer cooking classes. Right from the start, they give two strong reasons why cooking classes would benefit the community. The first reason is practical, mentioning that cooking is an important life skill, helping people prepare healthy and affordable meals. The second reason is social, suggesting cooking classes can strengthen relationships among neighbors. The response is well organized into clear paragraphs, making it easy for readers to follow the argument. The opening clearly states the choice. The middle paragraphs explain the reasons, and the conclusion restates the preference confidently. The tone is semi-formal, suitable for a community survey. Linking words such as firstly, secondly, and additionally guide readers smoothly through the points made. Two helpful stretch words included are nutritious and essential, enhancing vocabulary without complicating readability. One practical tip beginners can use next time is to clearly state your choice immediately in your first sentence. Then, follow up with two separate paragraphs, each clearly explaining one reason. This makes your writing easy to follow and strengthens your overall message. Now, I'll explain why this answer scores well. You can pause the video here to read carefully if you need more time. The response clearly identifies option B, offer dance classes, at the beginning. It then presents two clear reasons supporting this choice. Firstly, it highlights health benefits, stating that dance provides excellent exercise and helps reduce stress. Secondly, it emphasizes social benefits, describing dance classes as opportunities for people to build friendships and reduce loneliness. The writer structures the response clearly, starting with an introductory sentence that directly states the preferred option. Two separate body paragraphs follow, each clearly explaining one of the benefits. A brief conclusion restates the choice and summarizes the main points. The tone is semi-formal, fitting perfectly with the community survey context. The language is clear, simple, and accessible for learners at this level. Useful linking words like firstly, secondly, and however help guide the reader smoothly through the text. Two stretch words used effectively are flexibility and isolated, expanding vocabulary while remaining understandable at your language level. One practical tip beginners can use next time is to carefully plan your paragraphs before you start writing. Think of two clear reasons for your choice and describe each one in a separate paragraph. Clearly separating your ideas helps the reader understand your argument easily and makes your writing stronger overall.